Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to show you how wonderful this retractable garden hose reel is from Ayleid. First off, instead of this mess, my hose is now nice and neat in the hose reel. It is so nice looking, and it was really easy to attach to the house. It came with the bolts and everything that we needed. I love that it has this 180-degree swivel. It has a handle if you were to want to use it mobile. When you pull it in and out, it stays in place, and this little brush will keep the hose nice and clean so debris doesn't get in there. The actual nozzle itself is really well made. It has 9 different functions, and it actually came with 2 different nozzles. What I love is that it can reach my whole yard. This was the 65-foot one. It lets you know when you need to stop pulling it out. And as you can see here, I could even reach our garden on the other side of the house. It was incredible. The very best part for me is watching it retract all by itself. No more trying to get it on there just right, making sure it doesn't knot up, tangle, become uneven or lopsided. In seconds, your hose is nicely put away, and it's as simple as that. So if you're looking for an awesome retractable garden hose reel, I definitely would recommend this one. It's going to keep your garden hose nice and neat, untangled, and it's as easy as this to put it away. I think everyone needs one of these for their yards, but that's just my point of view.